Hey guys, I am back. And today I am drawing my character Silence. I have posted a couple pictures of him on DeviantArt, but none of them have been super recent to the point where, whatever. I have changed up his design throughout the years. I created him in 3 years ago? Yeah, 3 years ago sounds good. Maybe even 4. No, 3. But before I get into what the drawing is and stuff, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about Silence. I have been planning to write a story of him, and I am currently in the works of making a PMV of him. Not an AMV. But that's kind of stopping right now because I'm busy animating and schoolwork and just But Silence, I love his story and by the way, this picture is in black and white because I, not filtered or anything, but I drew it in black and white because I didn't feel like really getting out any colors or doing too much work on this piece. So this piece was just kind of sprang out of nowhere. I think it took really 25 minutes or something like that. But Silence, at the end of the video, so you'll add it, but he is cursed to cry blood. He has a curse in him. He was born with, he's blind, but one of his eyes has an X on it, and he can only see it at that eye when he goes insane or loses it, seriously. And with his little tuft of hair that I added, I don't draw him with that when he's younger, but he covers his other eye with it. That looks more normal. And on his ear, the same side that has the eye on it, it has a weird scar-looking thing that was given to him by his stepfather who hated him. His story is so confusing and so awesome, and I just love Silence. He's not evil if you know about it, but yeah. But that's about it about this picture. So I guess I'll play the song now because I really have nothing to talk about with this picture. It was just something that I thought was fun and decided to do. So here comes the song.
君が目指した汚れなきその強さで僕を壊して公園に抱きす